Welcome back. Here we are. I guess this is part number 5 of this teardown of this motor. That's what the oil pan looked like when I pulled it off. So, nothing major. Some stuff when they put it back together, it looks like chunks. But there's no metal down in there. That's good. Looks good. Everything in here looks good. I think this is a good core. Now if I find me something that needs a 318 engine in it, I think this one would be easy. Take it all the way apart, take it to the machine shop, have them mic it and clean it, get some new bearings. This oil pickup tube, that's truck specific, I do believe. So this cars, I think they got a sump in the middle or a little further back here, but I don't think I did wrong by accepting this for nothing. I think it's got potential there. Everything looks like it's original. Hard to say though until you get down in there. They might have had to put something in the crankshaft, but I ain't pulling that apart yet. But for $3.95, I think I did all right. There ain't nothing wrong with this motor. Needs a good cleaning. A good candidate for just a cruiser. Put a little bigger cam in it. I don't know what that cam is. I didn't even try and get that front pulley off, but it's got a double roller on it. Usually they got the markings on there on the front of that cam. Tells what it is. Let me grab a brush here real quick. I believe that's the casting date on this motor. I could be wrong, but it is a 318 block. What's that say? 5 something of 9? Maybe a 69? I can't tell you. There's some sort of a casting date in there, but it is a 318 block. So that's got all the good metal in it right there. There's a reason that old motor is still around. They were built to last back in them days, unless you beat one to death. I don't know why this one had to have a piston put in it, but it's right there. That's a brand new piston in there, as opposed to these. They've been around a while. Yep. Don't know when they put that in there. Looks all right. Tight in there. We'll have to see. This is all for another day. Well, thanks for looking. I think we got a keeper on this motor. Now I just keep an eye out for something I can drop it in. There's my next project. I got a motor. Have a good one. Thanks for looking.